Tricity local music. Less chatter, more of what matters. International, Knoxville, Tennessee presents Shadow Self CD Release Party, Friday, January 22nd at 7 p.m. Bands to include Shadow Self, Belfast Six Pack, Band Kale. This is an 18 plus show. ID is required. Admission is only $10.
Walk with me to the end. Hey, this is Jay from 99.3 The X, and you're checking out Tricity Local Music Radio.
Club 1341 Dolly Parton Parkway, Sevierville, Tennessee presents Belfast Six-Pack, Bent to Break, and featuring 3/4 Dead, January 30th at 8 p.m. Must be 21. This is a free show. Brought to you by East Tennessee Music Scene.